Hello viewers, let's download and install DirectX for Windows from Microsoft website. It is mostly required by games, graphic problems or important software to run it smoothly. So open your browser and type in address bar download DirectX. Enter it. This is Microsoft site. Click the first link and now select the language. Open it, this box, and let me click English. You may choose your own. Now click download. It's downloading. I can directly open file or let me click this sign, and now I'm in download folder, so double click it and click yes. If it appears, now accept the agreement and click next. Now uncheck install the Bing bar. Uncheck it and click next. It's now continue, and if next appear, then click it, and at the end you will see finish. Now DirectX has been installed in Windows 11 for smooth functioning of games, graphics and important software. Thanks for watching.